Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for June 23rd. I'm Philip Newman with some sort of sinus something going on right now. Hopefully I don't sound too weird. But today I'm solving New Body Rhumba by Bill Murphy. This is a little killer. Bill's previous puzzle was also a little killer, but with a little something extra. This is a normal little killer. So we have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and a 3x3 box. Additionally, we have some clues outside the grid, and the clues give the sum of the digits along the arrow. So these 3 digits sum to 12. These 2 digits sum to 17. And so those are the rules, and we get some digits for free immediately. These little killer clues are just pointing at one cell, so they must contain that digit. The 5 here in 2 cells must contain 2, 3, because we already have a 1 in the box. It can't be 1, 4. 4 has to be 1, 3, and there's a 1 here. So this is 3, 1 in that order, and that resolves our 2, 3. 17 has to be 8 and 9, resolved by the 9. And the 14 has to be 6, 8, because we already have 9 in the box. Alright, let's look at the 3-cell clues. 16 doesn't seem that restricted at first until you realize that you already have 1, 2, and 3 in the box. The lowest this could be is 4, 5, 6, and that would be 15. So to get 16, we have to increase one of those by 1. The only one we can increase by 1 without getting a repeat is increasing the 6 to 7. So this is 4, 5, 7. The 12 here, lowest we can have here is 2, 4, 6, and that just is 12. 15. The highest this can be with 6, 8, 9 in the box is 7, 5, 4, which is 16, like we had up here. So it must be 3, 5, 7, lowering that 4 by 1. And then the 17 in this box with the 9 and 8 already in the grid, highest we can have is 7, 6, and then 4 because of 5, and that is 17. So that's all the clues resolved. Let's clean up pencil marks. That's 5 here. That's not 6. This isn't 3, this isn't 5, this is 5, so that's 5. This is a 2. This is 6. All of them? That might be all of them for now. Let's look at the leftovers, though. We're missing 7, 8, 9 in this box. We're missing 6, 8, 9 in this box. And there's a 9 in the column, so that's going to place 9 here. Now 9 can't go in these cells, so it goes here. These are 1, 2, 4. The 1 has to go here. And 1 can't go in these cells, so this must be 1. These are 2 and 3, and we know the order from this 2 up here. The 3 and the 2 are going to resolve our pairs in this box. 4 places 6 there. This is not 7 or 4, so that's 6. The 7, 8 is not resolved, but it does look at this cell, so that is a 6. And it also looks at this cell, so that's 4. Going to resolve 4, 7 down here. The 4 resolves 2 and 4. And we've resolved all of the corner boxes except for this pair here. Let's look at these rows. We need 1, 5. It's resolved. We need 5, 7, and 8. 5 has to go here. Here we need 3, 5. And here we need 5 and 9. Alright, this column needs 3, 4, and 6. So that's a 6. This column needs 2, 7, 8. I don't think that's useful quite yet. 1, 4, 6 here, the 1 is placed, and the 6 places 4, and that places 4 and 3. This is 278 here. This is 489. And this is 267. 6 and 7, place 2. Not hitting keys. 3, 4, 6 here. 3 and 4 in the column. That's going to resolve our 7, 6 up here. These are 1, 2, 7. 1 has to go here. This column is getting pretty full. Okay. I may be having some keyboard issues because I am definitely hitting the key sometimes. I actually spilled water on my desk the other night, and it might have fried my keyboard just a little bit. We'll see. 489 here, not resolved. Let's look in this box. This can't be 3 or 4 in the column, so this must be the 8, and that's finally going to resolve our 8, 7. This now is 4. These are 8, 9. It's resolved. 2, 3, 7. 3 has to go here, 2 there, so 7. This is 1 and 9. And now here we had 2, 7, 8. We've got 8 and 7 here, and a 7 finishes that off, and finish the puzzle, 2, 9, and 8. That's the solution. Really nice classic at the end there. I feel like I did it much more slowly this morning because I don't feel good. But just a really pleasant solve. And the little killer, lots of playing with minimums and maximums, or just off minimums and maximums. And we all like to mess with that. So you've probably seen that a lot at this point. But I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.